ATBF families, my name is Michelle and I am an intern with Autism Tree project. Today I will be showing you how to make amazing holiday bracelets that you can hang on. What you need is a 12-inch stretchy string, some beads. I used two colors, red and green for the holiday, one ornament bead, begin beading, and have an alternate color each time. So it's going to be green, red, green. Oh my. There you are. Very easy peasy. And you can make this with your loved ones, your kiddos during Christmas time. Hang it on your tree. It's very versatile. Thank you for watching and have a lovely holiday. Thank you.